How you doing, everyone? Today's episode, I'm gonna take this log. I'm gonna make me another goblet. Let's see how they come out. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna round the whole thing off. Let's start with that and work our way around from there. Yeah, I just got a bit too much. God. Yeah, she broke right there. You can see it going ready to snap. But that's all right. I still can get one out of it. I blew that shut. Keeper. It'll be a keeper. I just want to make sure I don't catch down here. Knew it! Pretty cool. Alright, that's good enough for mini-me. Alright. Get me a little scarf out here and then I'll sand her down. Alright, gonna go through the motions. 240. There's an 80. I don't think I need an 80 on here. I'd probably start out with a 120. Yeah, here we go. 120, 120, 240, and a 320. That should be good. Alright. I think this is fine. My cover just to keep the top of this bad boy clean. Because I'm so messy. Today I'm going to use the blonde and just put me a few coats on here and see how she do. May as well, right? That'd be cool. Man, that brush sure holds a lot. Didn't expect that. That's okay. Look at that grain. Oh my God. Okay, so now I know. Don't just go sticking your brush in there and not expect it to come out like it's raining. Whew. Oh yeah. All right. I'm just gonna let that roly-poly a little bit. Is one coat. Well, there's 2 coats. Look at that shine, man. Lord have mercy. I'm going to put like 5, 6, 7 coats. I don't know. And then I might go ahead and stick this back on there and get this one here coated up. May as well. I don't know, remember what I used on it, but shellac will bring it back out again. So yes, sir. We'll see what happens. All right, I'll bring you all back once we get maybe the last coat or something on there. You don't need to watch all this dry paint. All right, I'll bring you back when I'm done. All right, it's a little tacky still. So this one here becomes a little bit more of a pain in the booty to do. So we'll see what she wants to do here. We'll give it a few minutes. All right, here comes the last coat, and we'll see how she does. Just gonna let it dry now, and we'll see what she ends up with. Well, there it is, folks. Final product. Looks pretty good. A little mini me to the other one. Yeah, might have lost the height a little bit, but hey, she still come out pretty decent, I think. All right. Well, until the next video. See ya.